Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to sync my files to OneDrive. If you find this guide useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thank you. The first step is to open a folder. Then, we will go to OneDrive here. We will log in, and in case we don't have an account, we will create one. Here, you will be able to choose the OneDrive save path. Here, you can make a backup, but it is optional. And here we click Next. And here we click on Open. Well, here we will have these files by default. To make a demonstration, I will add a file. Here in Status, this icon should appear, and with that it should be synchronized. We should only wait for the icon to change to a green check. But we are not done yet. We will click here. Settings, Account, choose Folders, and here we select the ones we want. And the file already changed to a green check. If you found the video useful, please leave me a like. Thanks.